Hello and welcome to my kitchen today. My name is Hope. I appreciate your stopping by. Today we are making a very delicious tasting Nigerian snack. I've been making chin-chin for a very long time and I found out that the inclusion of 3 ingredients takes this chin-chin from 10 to 100, and I'm sharing the secrets with you today, my lovely people. On the screen you can see a layout of the ingredients I shall be using to make this recipe, and I will state the quantity as I continue. The first ingredient, of course, is flour. I shall be adding baking powder to the flour. I shall be using nutmeg, a little salt, at this time I add sugar and I ensure that it is well combined. The first of the 3 ingredients that add robust flavor is orange zest. Make sure that it is sweet orange zest and grate just the zest. The white underlay is a little bit bitter and you don't want to include that in your chin-chin. The second ingredient to include in your chin-chin is real butter. I know that margarine works, but for the classic taste that I'm talking about, butter does it. You need real good butter, and it adds a fantastic flavor in the combination that I have given to you to your chin-chin. Room temperature butter makes for ease of incorporation into the flour. When I'm baking or making pastry or making chin-chin, I prefer weighing my ingredients. Apart from salt, baking powder, and maybe things like egg, every other thing is weighed. I prefer the measurements in weight than in cups. For soft, crunchy chin-chin, you don't need to overmix your flour. This texture is what you are looking for. The third ingredient is evaporated milk. I mix my chin-chin with just egg and evaporated milk, liquid wise. So I'll gradually combine the liquid into the flour and mix it gently, no hard mixing, so that you don't activate the gluten. So just gently mix it, incorporating everything together to form your chin-chin dough. Like I said, no hard mixing, just be gentle on the flour, okay? Remember not to overmix. When you overmix your dough, it leads to very hard chin-chin. Just mix to bring everything together nicely, like I'm doing in this video. You can see that our dough is coming together nicely, and it is almost okay. You can see it is not too soft and it is not too hard. So I'll cover the dough and allow it to rest for 30 minutes to an hour before I start rolling it. I like to rub flour on the pin. This helps it to roll smoother and nicely. Okay, you can also do the same. Also sprinkle a little flour on your working surface. It helps. For the cutting, I find that pizza cutter helps a lot for this size of chin-chin. In my previous air fryer chin-chin recipe, I used other cutters. The link to that video is in the description box below. I find that it works for me when I cut and fry. I don't cut all the chin-chin though before I start the frying process. So the moment I have done the much I feel can get into the frying pan, I put that, and while that is frying in the pan, I continue rolling the next set. So this is the oil I'm going to use for this frying. Make sure you use a good quality oil in your frying. If your oil is rancid, it will spoil your chin-chin. Use an oil that does not have taste. Sunflower, groundnut oil, or any other oil of your choice that you know does not have a lingering aftertaste on the food you used it to cook. Ensure to fry on medium-high heat and take out the chin-chin when it's still light brown, because it keeps browning as it gets cool. This chin-chin tasted perfect. If you found value from this video, remember to subscribe, like and share, and join the family, okay? Till my next video, God bless you. Bye.